In this video, I will show you the incredible Renegade row exercise that you absolutely must be doing to build strength in your upper body and core. Not only will we cover the basic movements, but we'll also dive into tips, variations, and how to maximize your results. So, grab your dumbbells, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing workouts and fitness tips, and let's get started. Section 1, what are Renegade rows? First things first, what exactly is a Renegade row? This powerful exercise combines a plank position with a rowing movement, engaging multiple muscle groups, including your back, arms, and abs. It's a fantastic way to work on your core stability while building upper body strength. Perfect for everyone, from beginners to advanced athletes. Section 2, benefits of Renegade rows. Now, you might be wondering, why should I incorporate Renegade rows into my workout? Here are a few key benefits. 1. Core engagement. The plank position activates your core, helping you build stability and strength. 2. Upper body strength. You'll work your lats, traps, and shoulders with every row. 3. Cardio and strength combo. Adding a push-up between rows keeps your heart rate up, making it an excellent full-body workout. 4. Functional movement. This exercise mimics real-life movements, improving your overall athletic performance. Section 3, how to perform a Renegade row. Let's break down how to perform a dumbbell Renegade row effectively. Follow these steps. 1. Start in a plank position. Position your hands on the dumbbells, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. 1. Your feet should be hip-width apart for better stability. 2. Engage your core, tighten your abs to maintain a stable plank position. 3. Row the dumbbell, shift your weight to one hand, then lift the opposite dumbbell towards your rib cage. 3. Keep your elbow close to your body. 4. Lower the dumbbell, slowly bring the dumbbell back down and repeat on the other side. 5. Incorporate a push-up, for added intensity. After each row, perform a push-up. 5. This is known as the Renegade row with push-up, and it maximizes your workout by targeting more muscle groups. Section 4, common mistakes to avoid to get the most out of your Renegade rows. Avoid these common mistakes. 1. Letting your hips drop. Keep your hips in line with your body to avoid sagging. 2. It's better to do fewer reps correctly than to rush and risk injury. 3. Incorrect rowing technique. Ensure you're pulling the dumbbell towards your rib cage, not your shoulder. 3. This engages your back muscles effectively. 4. Neglecting breathing. Exhale as you row and inhale when lowering the dumbbell. Section 5, variations of Renegade rows. Now that you know how to do the basic dumbbell Renegade row, let's explore some variations to keep your routine fresh. 1. Alternating Renegade row dumbbell. Switch hands after each row to keep your workout dynamic. 2. Renegade rows CrossFit style. Add a higher intensity by incorporating faster movements or different weight increments. 3. Dumbbell alternating Renegade row leap fitness. Combine a jump or leap with your rows for a more explosive workout. Section 6, final tips and motivation. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. 1. Start with light weights. If you're new to this exercise, use lighter weights to master your form. 2. Stay consistent. Aim to incorporate Renegade rows into your workouts at least twice a week. 3. Listen to your body. If you experience pain, stop and reassess your form or consider consulting a fitness professional. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing workouts and fitness tips. Remember, every rep counts, and with exercises like the Renegade row, you're well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next